So iOS 18.7.8 has been out for a little bit of time now, and the thing I can tell you so far with this particular iOS update is that it has been a really good, software version that I've been able to install. I've been having it installed on my iPhone 15 Pro since it basically came out, and I've been a very happy camper. I've been very happy with the approach that Apple made with this update, and it's been giving me a very good experience. So I feel like this in and of itself is a very big thing going on for this type of software version. And the thing that I keep thinking about is that if you are somebody who basically has any iPhone that supports iOS 18.7.8, this is a version of software that I would recommend everyone to basically go ahead and install. This is going to be a version of software that is going to be bringing a bunch of stability for your iPhone. It's not going to be perfect, but it is going to be putting you in a situation where you're going to be able to, still have a very good stable version of an iPhone and still up to date for the most part. And it is going to be giving you a good type of, software version getting ready for iOS 27. iOS 27 is basically right around the corner. And if you are lucky enough to still be on iOS, 18, then I would take advantage of it. And I would still stick on iOS 18 for the most part before switching up to iOS 27. Or if you want a stopgap between, 27 and 18, you could go to 26. But I'd recommend sticking with iOS 27 iOS 18 for a little bit longer and then switching up after. So in terms of that basically covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.